Hey guys, happy Diwali to all of you.
అందరికీ దివాళీ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
And today we
We
are
are
back
back.
with another fun video, and this is going to be
Yeah.
awesome. Think it's festival time, right?
Yeah.
I'm like super excited for
And
this.
that too, it's my favorite festival.
Yeah, and I hope you people are also having a great time with your family. So for Diwali, guys, usually people send like gifts to their close
Yeah,
friends,
even we
family
sent a
members.
lot of gifts.
Correct. So we sent and got lot of gifts this time, and best part about being a tech reviewer is you get lots of gifts from different brands in India, guys. And I thought you people will also be like quite curious to
Yeah.
see what sort of gifts we got for Diwali, right? And that is the reason we'll be unboxing all our special Diwali gifts in this video. And let me tell you, this is gonna be like super fun and awesome. So make sure to watch it till the end. So this time we actually got like variety of gifts.
Yeah.
We got like chocolates, sweets, and
Sweets.
some tech items also from different brands. So which one should we actually start with?
I want to see that one.
Yeah, why don't we start with like the biggest gift
Yeah.
this time, guys? As usual, Realme sends like a big box every year for Diwali, guys. And as
I'm
you can
super
see,
excited to see this one.
we've got a huge box from
Hope for great things.
yeah, for Diwali from Realme. We've got their iconic mascot over here. Then it says "Hope for great things." So why don't you do the honors and open it and show it to our audience?
Yeah.
Open it.
Oh my god, it's.
it's quite heavy,
Oh.
guys. Oh boy.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow.
Hold this now. I'll show it
Yeah.
to them one by one. So guys, looks like we've got a mix of products. Like we've got some food related stuff and also tech related items I can see.
Yeah.
First of all,
What's
let
that?
me see. What is this? Okay, they sent us some achievements calendar. So these are some achievements from Realme. So I'd like to congratulate them and also thank you for sending this gift box, Realme. Really appreciate and love it. Anyway, starting off, guys. Looks like they sent us a Realme TV stick, guys. It's a 4K smart Google TV stick. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
And by the way, guys, let me know if you want to see like a dedicated video on any of these products now, like maybe tech related products, and I'll definitely make a separate video on that. I'm really interested to test out this one.
Me
It's a
too.
Google TV stick, not the Android one. Keeping that aside, they also sent us a Realme Pocket speaker,
Wow.
guys. Pocket Bluetooth speaker. It must be like really compact and tiny.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. So thank you for this.
And what's this?
Now comes the interesting part. I know this. You must be waiting for this, right? Okay, so these are some cashews. Cashews, honey and fennel cashews. Pretty nice.
Whoa. And here there's some luxury instant coffee.
Big box. Okay, so it says Teddy Roosevelt Luxury Instant Coffee.
I'm gonna make it today.
Pretty nice. And by the way, guys, do you like coffee or tea? Let me know.
I drink both.
Yeah, I actually prefer coffee.
Oh,
Yeah.
and what's this?
Slowly. What is this?
Ooh, it's a candle.
Oh, it's a
Scented candle.
correct scented wax candle. It says French lavender.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, sure. Very
It's
nice
super
aroma.
premium. I
Thank
love
you,
the
Realme.
scent of it.
So these are all the gifts that we got from Realme.
And
Oh,
I love the box.
yeah, pretty nice. Wait a second, I forgot to see their greeting at all. We've got a special Diwali greeting
yeah.
card from Realme. And that is it, guys. These are all the special things Realme has sent us. So big thank you to Realme and wish you guys a very happy Diwali. So these were the stuff from Realme. Now let's keep it aside
Oh,
and
no,
check
now
out the
I want
other
to
stuff.
go to that box.
Which one?
This one.
The big one?
Yes.
Okay, Xiaomi has also sent us two packages, guys, two big boxes. Now we'll be checking them out. So first, let's start with this
I'll just slide this.
big box. Okay,
Okay.
as you can see, we've got the Xiaomi logo. It says, "Celebrate Diwali with me." Oh,
It's kind of cute.
box
the
looks
box.
nice, right? I
Yeah.
like this color combination and the whole Diwali theme on it. I hope there are some chocolates inside because I want to eat some chocolates now. Open this, no?
Okay. Ooh.
Oh.
So much stuff.
Yeah. So as usual, guys, we've got a mix of all products. Like we've got some tech related products and also food related stuff.
Oh, wow.
Hold this for me. I'll show it
Okay.
to them. Okay, we've got some seasonal greetings saying happy Diwali. So I wish Team Xiaomi also a very happy Diwali from my side. And thank you for sending us this awesome gift. So let's quickly see what do we have in the package.
There's some tech stuff also.
Okay, the first thing I observed is they've sent us their brand new power bank, guys. And oh, look at this. This is a big, massive power bank, 30,000 milliampere power bank from Xiaomi. And that too, this is the Boost Pro pack. I'm pretty interested to make a video on this thing. Yeah, keeping that aside.
Whoa, what are these?
Okay, so these are something that might interest you.
It's jasmine green tea and
Lemongrass?
lemongrass and ginger green tea.
Okay,
Wow.
they've sent us some green tea this time. Xiaomi wants to go like complete eco with, green sort of stuff for this Diwali. So I really appreciate that. Xiaomi.
And what's this box?
And what else do we have?
This one.
Oh, Pataka.
Pataka. Did they send us crackers?
Correct. Did they send us crackers? It says Pataka.
Show me.
Oh, looks like crackers only.
Yeah.
Guys, Xiaomi has sent us some crackers, I think, in this box. Pretty
But
nice.
it says that crackers that grow into plants.
Huh? What do you mean?
Wow. Now I'm pretty excited to use this and see how it will turn into
Oh,
plant.
guys, look at these. These are not usual firecrackers. These are actually like plants that you can grow. So there's
Wow, kind of unique actually.
something very different.
Yeah.
I didn't expect this from Xiaomi. So basically, guys, there are like certain methods that you need to follow. And by following that, plants will actually grow out of these crackers. Very unique and,
Seriously.
new concept.
I will definitely grow them.
There's actually a detailed manual over here that tells you how to use them.
I'll grow
and
these
grow the
and
plants.
update it on my Instagram.
Yeah, and by the way, you can follow us on our social media, maybe Instagram and Twitter, because we post all these sort of fun stuff as stories on our Instagram. Links will be in the description box
And
below.
what are these small boxes?
Oh, we've got even more stuff. What are these?
What are those?
There's also something over here.
Yeah. What's this?
Okay, now this brings back my childhood.
Snake and ladder?
Snake and ladder. Xiaomi has sent us a snake and ladder board.
Ooh. Then I guess I'm gonna play this with my cousins for Diwali.
We've got little cousins in our family, and I
Yeah.
think we'll be playing this with them today evening.
Just open this and show.
Acha, so these are like
okay.
playable items for the
Okay,
snake
okay,
and ladder
players.
game. Like the players, dice,
And dice. And
and
what's
all
in
that
this
stuff.
then?
Open and see. I also don't know.
I can't open with one hand.
What is this? Oh, pack of cards.
Oh, pack of cards.
Guys, look
Wow.
at this. Xiaomi has sent us some playing cards in this box. So they want us to have fun and enjoy with
With
our family
family.
members with these childhood fun sort of games. Very
So
nice.
today evening, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah. So these are all the stuff that Xiaomi has sent us as
And I
Diwali
love this
gift.
package
Yeah,
also.
we really love the idea, Xiaomi. Brings back our childhood memories. So a big thank you for the gift. Okay, we've got a couple of chocolates and sweet boxes. Let's quickly check them out. So Game DS has sent a special chocolate box, guys, custom made by Game DS. And as you can see, they've sent us like custom Game DS chocolates made by them only. We've got Game DS logo on all the chocolates.
And this one's for you.
I really wish I could share these chocolates with you
Me
guys.
too.
Yeah, but unfortunately there is no option to send them through the video to you people. But anyways, thank
It's
you
okay.
Game DS
I'll
for
share
these
it
chocolates.
with people here.
Yeah, thank you Game DS for this. Happy Diwali to you guys as well. Okay, now this one is from the MVP Hyderabad. So Amar Bhai has sent us some special sweets from Almond House, baklava. You like baklava, right? So a big thank you to Amar Bhai for this. I'm going to definitely try them out today after the video. And okay, this one.
Ooh.
This one is sent by Acro India, guys.
Acro.
Yeah. They've got a seasonal greeting over here that says Happy Diwali to me and my family. So a big thank you for this. And also, by the way, what is this? Oh, guys, it's a new keyboard. Keyboard from Ant Esports.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so
Woo.
we got a brand new 60% mini keyboard from Acro and Ant Esports. The model is MK1200 Mini, guys. It's powered by RGB as well. So thank you for this, Acro. A big happy Diwali to you people as well. Okay, keeping this aside, now let's check out this black box. Now this one is from Lava. Lava India has also sent us something.
Lava Agni.
Yeah, it says Agni on the front.
Oh.
What do they mean?
I don't
Diwali
know.
Festival of Lights.
Maybe.
Matlab,
Maybe.
maybe they wanted to do something with that concept. I don't know. Okay, there's a greeting over here that says Happy Diwali, and for those who carry torch in India. Okay, there's a lot of depth in that. What is this?
Ooh. What's
Okay,
this?
looks like some sort of torch.
Maybe.
Modern torch with a light inside, smart LED inside.
So I need to carry like this.
Yeah, maybe they went with some concept of lights because Diwali is festival of lights now. They wanted to share some message about that.
I guess we need to charge it.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you Lava India for this. I wish you guys also a very happy Diwali. Okay, so we are done with all the sweets, I guess, right?
I guess.
No, we have some more chocolates also, guys, and this one is from Asus. So Asus has sent like a couple of boxes over here. Hold this for me. So we've got a greeting card from Asus that says Happy Diwali to Vimal and family. So I wish you guys also a very happy Diwali. And they've sent us some chocolates as usual. They've sent some signature chocolates from Starbucks. We've got like different flavors on board, and let me tell you, we actually ate a couple of them. Thing is, guys, we've been getting all these gifts since like last 4 to 5 days, right?
I couldn't control before showing it to you guys.
We actually ate some of them.
Oh,
and not just the sweets, these guys have also sent some, God related stuff, puja related stuff. So I'll be giving this directly to my mom only. Yeah, thank you for that. And lastly, they've also sent us a special gift. Now this is something really fun, guys, and tech related stuff, and it's a unique gadget from ROG. As you can see, this is ROG IS, guys. It's a 1080p webcam from the brand. So now this is very useful for me because these days everybody needs a webcam, right? And on top of that, this is from ROG that has like a built-in beamforming mic also that is AI powered. So this looks pretty interesting. We'll definitely cover this thing in a dedicated video. So thank you ROG for this. And we've got a special gift from Steel Series also. Steel Series has sent one of their gaming headsets as a Diwali gift, guys. Model is Arctis 5, and let me tell you, this is quite a premium category gaming headset and easily costs around like 16 or 17,000 rupees and has like unique features on board. And you know what? We'll be checking out and making a dedicated review on this as well. So stay tuned for this video. So thank you Steel Series, and wish you guys a happy Diwali as well. And by the way, guys, I forgot to mention Xiaomi has sent us 2 gifts. One is from MI and the other is from Poco. Let me show you. Okay, we've got a greeting card from Poco as well that says Happy Diwali. And in the box, we got some sweets, savory and snacks related stuff. That too written in like Poco format.
Poco letters.
But thing is, we got this gift like 4 days ago and people at my home already ate half the box, guys.
Kind of.
Already ate half the box. I said them to wait till I make this video, but nobody waited. She's eating now only. Now what do I say?
It was delicious.
And thank you Poco for this. The sweets were like really delicious and we loved it.
And even there was some savory stuff.
And going next, we've got a Diwali gift from Gigabyte.
I didn't touch this box, so I don't know what is
This came yesterday only, and by the way, it comes in this beautiful wooden box, guys, that says Gigabyte Happy Diwali on the front. Now I wonder what's inside this. Hold it.
Me too. It looks like a jewelry box.
Yeah, looks quite nice.
Whoa.
Okay, what is this? We've got something from Amazon. Oh, brand new Echo Dot.
Wow.
So Gigabyte has sent us a brand new Echo Dot. This must be the 3rd gen. Yeah, this is the 3rd gen Echo Dot. So, I had the 2nd gen and 4th gen, but I missed out the 3rd gen. So this will be added to my collection. Thank you Gigabyte for this.
And what's this?
And along with that, they've also sent us chocolate box. So we've got a chocolate box from Diwali that says Happy Diwali.
And let me keep it in your mouth. Happy Diwali!
You guys can also try it out through the video. Very nice, tasty. Thank you Gigabyte team. Wish you guys a very happy Diwali. Keep it aside.
Ooh.
Now let's check out Amazfit's Diwali
It's a
gift.
cute bag.
Let me finish my chocolate. Give me a moment. So this one is from Amazfit.
And it looks kind of cute.
Take them out.
There's a cap.
Okay.
Ooh.
Cap.
from Amazfit.
So you got a cap. Hold this. There's a letter.
One cap. Okay.
Okay, there's a letter that says Happy Diwali to Vimal Chintapatla and family. So thank you, Amazfit, for these gifts. Open and see
And-
what do we have inside.
What did I do?
What is this? Bottle?
Bottle. Wow.
Okay, we've got a sipper bottle. Oh,
And this is mine.
very nice, beautiful color. Look at
It's
this.
my new bottle
Very
from
nice.
now. Oh, we have more stuff here.
What is this?
Tulsi green tea.
Arey yaar, everybody is like behind, green tea,
Green
tulsi
tea, coffee. Tea, coffee.
So we've got like a green tea bottle over here.
And we got a scented candle.
Again, aromatic candle, guys, scented candle. So these were the stuff.
So this time, instead of diyas, I'm gonna light all these candles.
Yeah. So these were the stuff Amazfit has sent us. Some goodies from Amazfit. Thank you, Amazfit, for this, and happy Diwali to you people as well. And we are almost coming to an end, guys. The last gift is from Lenovo. So Lenovo, guys, has sent us a special clock. It's their smart clock essential, guys. It's like a smart clock that has
Wow.
like Google Assistant on board and can do a lot of stuff. So thank you for this. I'll definitely add it to my desk. And you know what? I think I'll make a video on this as well. Lots of tech items this
Yes.
time, right? So I've got like a couple of videos lined up, and my schedule looks like occupied for the next few days. And on top of that, we've got Intel 12th Gen launching today. Embargo lifts today. So I'll have to work on that tomorrow. Lot of work this week. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. This is what we got for Diwali.
Yeah.
And it was like
I
really
hope
fun.
You had a lot of fun watching
Yeah.
all these gifts.
Yeah, I hope you people also are having a great time with your family members at home and you're enjoying Diwali. See, this time we're not firing any crackers. We wanted to go like pollution free, eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
So we're just eating snacks and sweets and enjoying with family members at home only. And that is pretty much it, guys. So now after this video, we're gonna go and have some
Yes.
fun at our home. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video till the end. And again, I wish you people a very happy
Happy
Diwali and also a
Diwali.
prosperous Diwali. So take care, guys, and I'll see you all in our next one.